PDF editor tool. It has all the option a business you should need. In settings, in settings, you can see auto compress PDF option, enable AI thinking mode. Another various options are here. Appearance, you can select dark and light mode. Any way you are comfortable. Security has encryption mode, default encryption mode, allow printing, copying text, etc. And you can directly upload or ask to create a new PDF. Here, drop a PDF. Here, I am dropping my resume. Open it. Open a editor. Here, you can see your PDF, edit PDF, and other options like select PDF. First up, there is a tool option. Here, you can select the selection option, text module option. Here, you can select text from and the create text box to make an element out of it. There is various option here. Sign option, you can sign yourself. Draw option, you can draw anything or even create larger size of your brush. Redact option, here you can fix your you can hide your anything if you want, anything like text or other summaries. Whiteout option, if you want to white out a page, you can white out also. Here, crop option, crop your PDF. Here you can crop it. I don't want to crop it. Image option, you can upload an image and put paste it on here, here, like I am doing this screenshot. Here it asks me to drop the image. I drop the image. Now I want to expand it big or move other side. I can put it anywhere. After that, there is a stamp option. You can here uh, stamp your PDF like this confidential. You can also select the color of your text stamp and apply. Your stamp is applied on all the PDF automatically. If you want to remove on any PDF, use clean AI. It detect your stamp and removed it. Like it is detecting here. Yeah, it is still in development phase, but I will make it work like magic. After that, eraser the eraser has the ability to erase anything that is unnecessary. Like if I draw and I use select eraser, just I want to point the item to erase. It's easy enough, so anyone can do it. Next option, there is a organize manager. It has merge option. You can merge another PDF like this. I want to merge my another PDF. Now here is eight page. All of them are merged. Split PDF. I want to split it. I can here I can put the page number and here end number, and it downloaded the next PDF. It downloaded new PDF with split parts. Reorder my PDF. Just drag and drop and easy enough to manage your PDF like this. Drag your PDF and reorder it. Apply changes and it should apply it. You can also rotate. Just select your page and rotate it. Any page you want, it can rotate. However you want, it can rotate. If you want to delete, select your page and click on delete. Or if you If you want to delete on specific, just select a number like 3. It removes the third number page. If you want numbering on your page, there is no numbering. If just I click numberize, it numberizes all the page. Page 1 of 7, page 1, 2 of 7. The next option is convert. It converts to Word, Excel, PPT to JPG, OCR. OCR means it converts to text format, Word to PDF or HTML to PDF. It has all the options a business need. Next is security. It can encrypt your PDF with password. It can flatten. Flatten means no one can edit more than this PDF. Repair. If your PDF repair option repair it. And you can also change metadata of your PDF. It has AI inbuilt. Ask AI. It can summarize your PDF with a Gemini on it and suggest PDF. And it has also export option. You can rewrite your name, compress your quality, or encrypt with password. Just export it and it can export it. So if you like it my app, just put the star below.